Hello and welcome, dear viewers. You're watching ERi-TV. I'm Barsaba Taghla, beginning this broadcast with the major headlines for today. Awards presented to outstanding students. Voluntary blood donation drive in the Central Region. China holds military drills in South China Sea. And Congo accuses Rwanda of aiding armed groups. On your domestic reports, Sembel High School, located in the Central Region, has awarded 52 outstanding students, including 21 female students, in recognition of their exceptional performance in the 2023-2024 National School Living Examinations. The awardees are part of the 36th round of the national service. At the ceremony held on 28 September, Mr. Nagasi Weldu, director of Sembel High School, announced that the recipients include 10 students who achieved a perfect GPA of 4.0 and 42 others with GPAs ranging from 3.0 to 3.8. Mr. Johannes Solomon, head of secondary schools in the region, congratulated the awardees and encouraged them to maintain their competitive spirit and strive for success in their future academic and professional pursuits. The students, expressing gratitude for the recognition, pledged to continue working hard and remain dedicated to their higher education goals. They also credited their achievements to the support of their parents and teachers, as well as their personal commitment. On your last local report, employees from various institutions in the Central Region voluntarily donated a total of 96 units of blood between 23 and 26 September as part of a donation campaign under the theme Donate Blood, Save Lives. During the campaign, Amber Berkshire Company employees contributed 27 units, students from the Ministry of Defence's School of Management and Administration in Gezabanda donated 18 units, employees from Law and Order branch of the Central Region provided 10 units, the Ministry of Agriculture headquarters contributed 19 units, and staff members from the Central Region Administration headquarters donated 22 units of blood. The organizers of the voluntary blood donation drive emphasized that donating blood is a noble act and a responsibility for all members of the society. They reaffirmed their commitment to continuing such efforts with even greater momentum in the future. Participants highlighted that saving a life through blood donation offers the most meaningful reward. And they noted that voluntary blood donation not only saves lives, but also provides health benefits to the donors themselves by allowing them to monitor their own well-being. They encouraged all citizens to follow their example and contribute to saving lives through blood donation. The viewers will be back shortly with their international reports and more, so please stay tuned. Welcome back. Chinese air and naval forces are conducting maneuvers in the disputed area of the South China Sea. The military said on Saturday, hours after the country's top diplomat discussed ways of reducing regional tension with his U.S. counterpart. The news comes after Australia and the Philippines said that their militaries would hold a joint maritime activity with Japan, New Zealand and the United States in the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines. The Chinese drills will include routine early warnings and reconnaissance exercises, as well as patrols around Scarborough Shoal. The Southern Theatre Command of the People's Liberation Army said this in a statement, but gave no further details. On today's final report, the East African Court of Justice has started proceedings on a case filed by the Democratic Republic of Congo against Rwanda, accusing it of violating its sovereignty and sending troops to support rebel groups in the country's eastern region. Eastern Congo has witnessed years of instability, as more than 120 armed groups have fought for power, land and valuable mineral resources. The most powerful group is the M23, which the Congolese government, alongside the United States and France, has accused Rwanda of sponsoring. Kigali has denied the allegations. The proceedings came a day after the Congolese President Félix Tshisekedi called for sanctions against Rwanda at the UN General Assembly for its alleged support for M23. You're still watching us on ERi-TV. Dear viewers, and now recap of the major headlines. Awards presented to outstanding students. Voluntary blood donation drive in the Central region. China holds military drills in South China Sea. And Congo accuses Rwanda of aiding armed groups. That's it for today, dear viewers. Thanks for watching and have a good one.